Hey guys, Michael, Bayarea Hiking Guides. Anyways, I'm going to talk about one of the biggest mistakes that people make before they even start hiking. And that big mistake that people tend to make is they don't let people know where they're going. So what I do is I have a board at home, and Beth uses it as well. And we put on there where we're going, when we're expecting to be home, how many miles we're doing, what trails we're taking, all the information, trailhead we're using, where the car is going to be located. So this allows people to have that information in case you go out and something happens. And I know you're probably asking yourself, well, hey, I got my cell phone. But really, honestly, how it is your cell phone might be an amazing instrument that you're using. It's a computer in your pocket. You get in some of these locations, you lose reception. And believe me, your phone starts acting kind of creepy when you start getting in higher elevation or way out off the grid. Now, the other thing you could be asking yourself is, well, hey, I know the area pretty well, and I don't need a map, and no one really needs to know where I'm going. I pretty much have a pretty good familiar where the area is at. You know how many people I've had to rescue and bring them back to their car or their house or the parking lot because a member in their group said those very things? If you don't want to do the board thing, at least send a text message to somebody. And the other thing is that you might be in an area where there's a lot of civilization and there's houses nearby. But if you hurt yourself, you can really be stuck out there and not be able to get to these places by dragging yourself to locations. And you'll be surprised, there's some places that are real close to homes that a lot of people don't go to. So you have to be really careful. It's so important to put all that information out, to let somebody know what's going on and where you're going to be at before you head off on a hike. I'm Michael with Bayarea Hiking Guides, and giving you the information and knowledge so you can hike with confidence. And I'm going to watch the sun go down, and I can't wait for that.